shortly after the Pininfarina Battista celebrated its global premiere at the Geneva Motor Show. The company has announced that the electric hypercar will make its UK debut next month at the Goodwood Members Meeting. Pininfarina says that it will present the new hypercar alongside a 1955 Lancia Aurelia, a vehicle it designed over 6 decades ago. The two may have nothing in common apart from the part that they're both styled by the same studio, but seeing them displayed side by side certainly promises to be interesting. Ex-Formula 1 and Formula E driver Nick Heidfeld will be present at the Battista's UK premiere. Heidfeld is tasked with tuning the Battista's dynamic performance, and he also happens to have fond memories at Goodwood as he is the fastest man to ever to drive up the famous hill climb. At the event will also be René Wallman, who previously led the development team for the Mercedes-AMG 1 hybrid hypercar. The Battista hypercar will remain on static display during the event, meaning prospective buyers will have to wait a little longer to see it in full attack mode. This year's Geneva Motor Show proved to be one of the best in recent memory, and the Pininfarina Battista was one of the highlights of the event. Power comes the same basic powertrain as the Rimac C_2, which features 4 electric motors pumping out a combined 1,874 horsepower and 1,696 pounds-to-foot, 2,300 Nm, of torque. These batteries are fed by a 120 kWh battery pack, and Pininfarina claims its hypercar will reach 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, in less than 2 seconds, and 186 miles per hour, 300 kilometers per hour, in under 12 seconds.